We are working to perform an isolation in the ductwork connecting 3001 and 3002, and we are using CLSM to do that. CLSM is a flowable fill type material, so it flows better than concrete and it's got a low strength, so it's good for non-structural applications where you need to fill a void. This facility is all part of the OGR complex, so that involves the Oak Ridge Graphite Reactor, the filter house, what was the fan house, and the stack. And so the pour we're working on is between the graphite reactor facility and the filter house. The purpose of doing this is to isolate 3001 from 3002. That will prevent any contamination flow between the two buildings during future demolition work. This is part 2 of a 2-part pour. For this second pour, we are pouring approximately 175 cubic yards.